Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the Conliwell 18-inch professional microfiber mop, touted as one of the best microfiber mops available right now. This mop isn't just your average cleaning tool. It's designed for efficiency and ease, perfect for a variety of floor types including hardwood, vinyl, laminate, and tile. Let's talk about what makes this mop stand out. First off, it comes with a large 18-inch base, which means you can cover more area with each swipe, saving you time and effort during your cleaning routine. The stainless steel handle and aluminum alloy mop head ensure durability, even with frequent use. It's built to withstand the rigors of cleaning, whether it's daily maintenance or deep scrubbing. What I really appreciate is the adjustable handle, which extends from 24 to 45 inches. It's perfect for users of different heights and helps in reaching those tricky spots under furniture and around corners. The microfiber pads are a game changer. They act like magnets, picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease. Plus, they're machine washable, which means you can reuse them multiple times without compromising on cleaning power. Another standout feature is the 360-degree rotatable mop head. This allows you to maneuver around obstacles effortlessly, making cleaning around furniture and cabinets a breeze. To wrap it up, whether you're tackling hardwood, laminate, vinyl, or tile floors, the Conliwell 18-inch professional microfiber mop delivers exceptional cleaning performance. It's sturdy, versatile, and designed to make your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.